Guys, you won't believe me, but I made an iOS application using AI, and AI has written all the code. I didn't interfere with it. I just only asked what features I wanted. And you will be amazed to see the result which AI can bring to you. For the context, I use Cursor Agent, which is similar to Cursor, and the model which was Auto. So I'm not sure whether it used Claude, GPT, or which AI model behind the scene. But right now, I can only say that this is sick. And if you see the result, and if you have, or if I have used Claude, it would have given me much better results. But I just took the decision of using Swift, building iOS application using Xcode and simulated. So let's get into the video. Yesterday, I made a counter application where I just shown you how content view is important and where the main code was written. So I just asked AI to build me an application in which I give a video, it takes the audio, it transcribes the audio and show me the list. This is what I asked to AI and it has built it amazingly. So let me just show you the result, then we will go into the code and how to share everything. So let's do it. So this is the application. So before that, let me show you something. So this is the files in which my video is getting saved. So let it open. So this is the file which you can see in which
Today is difficult. Tomorrow is much more difficult. The day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die tomorrow is.
So you can see that in that particular video, there were subtitles already. Since this video will be mute, so it is very important for you to understand what was the video's content. So you have already seen what is the content and now let's transcribe this video. So I will do select video file and I will select the video file which I need and I will just press transcribe and it will transcribe the audio for me. So it is right now extracting .mp4a from the mp4 video and now it is transcribing using WhisperKit. So you will be amazed to see the result. Just wait for the result when it comes. And at the same time, how to transfer videos into the iPhone simulator, how to do that, I will just explain you in a bit. So you can see today is difficult. Today's time is given. His time is given. Difficult is given. Tomorrow is much more difficult. The day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die tomorrow evening. And that this song had some lyrics, so it just mentioned that la la la. I know. So yeah, and if you want the full text, you can get the full text. So this is just a Whisper implementation. You get word timestamp and you get full text. And now you can build SRT downloader and anything which you like using iOS. So it works easily for iOS 17 plus. Otherwise, it won't work. So, and right now this iPhone 16e is using iOS 26. So you have seen how sick the result was, and right now this iPhone 16e is using iOS 26. So you have seen how sick the result was and how to transfer video file to iOS simulator. We will see that first, and after that we will see what are the installation setup you need to do after asking AI the code. So first of all, let me just show you how to link the video files. So right now I have this documents and I have locking series. So let me just do this one. So here you can see I have one video file. So I'm recording, I lock it like every day documenting my video got stopped recording, so that why there is a disconnect. So let's get into the back video. So you can see I'm recording my journey and I record daily. So I will put this video here. So you can just drag and drop this video like this one. So if you drag and drop like this one, it will add it and you can go to the recently saved and you can see I've done it 3 times. So if you want to delete it, you can delete this one. If you want to keep it, you can keep it this one, which you can see in the screen. I just keeping it. Now here you have to select this one, you have to press share and you have to export unmodified original or save to files. So you have to do save to files. Once you do save to files and you save this one, it will be accessible to your file system. Now your application can really access this one. So if I just press this one and if I transcribe this one, it will automatically do. So let it do in the background and we will understand how to do the next step. So let me see whether I can zoom this. It will automatically do. So let it do in the background and we will understand how to do the next step. So let me see whether I can zoom this one. So I asked AI, I want to upload a video, extract audio, and transcribe the list and also it did everything on its own. Obviously, there were some hiccups. I did some modification. I just prompted it. I just told what I want, not what it has to do. So you can see it has created a file called document picker, which is actually accessing the file system of the iOS system, and WhisperKit manager, which is actually doing all the Whisper related item like word timestamp, model loading, and everything. So it is using WhisperKit, and this content view is the application where we are using our main UI code, so which you can see. I didn't know this till today, so you can fold this one. So if you go to, you can see how to process video. I've created a function. Now if I click fold here, so it will fold this function. If I don't know what is the shortcut for fold, I will learn it, but this is actually very cool. So yeah, you can see how I'm transcribing audio, how to extract audio directly, and you can create these functions. I've already told as a vibe coder also you need to understand what exactly are functions, which I've covered in of the video where I've told what are the basic coding basics a vibe coder should know. So you can see this is extracting audio directly, transcribing that audio, passing that function, and this function uses WhisperKit. So if I again just unfold this one particular file, so you can see this one particular file. So you can see WhisperKit manager transcribe audio. So it has the transcribe audio function. So we will not get into the complexities right now in the code understanding. Now what you have to do. So first of all, you have to go to export, you have to go to file, and here you have to go to add package dependencies. And in the package dependencies, you have to go to here, like recently used, you can see, you can go to GitHub and recently used. So you have to type the item which you need. So you have to type the system. So I will type whisper because WhisperKit is there. So I will just do WhisperKit and I will add the package, and it will add the package. It will add both of the package to my particular repository. So do this. After doing this, go to your counter application like this particular area and go to something called frameworks. And here you can see, let me just zoom in for you, whether I can zoom in. Nope, I cannot zoom in. So let me just go to the project and build settings, package dependencies, and you can see it has already linked package dependencies, but here we have to go something called frameworks. So let me see where frameworks are. Okay, I think here only framework was general, and you can see what are the support destination, what are the minimum deployments. So right now it is only working for iOS 17 and all, so I will just do iOS 17, and here you can see. So in the framework libraries and embedded content, you have to, and here you can see. So in the framework libraries and embedded content, you have to press this one and you have to choose this WhisperKit. Otherwise, your item will not work. So once you do this, then you can easily use this import WhisperKit here directly. It will not throw any errors, and you are good to go because after this, AI can handle it easily. So this is what you have to do. This is what you have done, and let's see the result from the simulator. So you can see I've this video same weekends are for rest, but not when your users are asking for features and with full timestamp and all. And yeah, you can see day 26 of it is right now using Whisper based model, so a large model. So it is using posting as a hosting, but you know, AI doesn't have 100% accuracy. So if you go to the hosting, it will have a low confidence. So you can see it has only 83% confidence. Otherwise, it had around 95, 97 or 100% confidence, for other words. So this is the application which AI has built for me. So you can say in a summarized version, AI has built an AI application. So it's give a good ring to the mind, but yeah. So AI has built this, and I will extend this application and I will upload it to App Store and all, and let's see how where we get the rejection and how to optimize this one. But this is a very simple iOS application which anyone can build and host it in the App Store. So I will try hosting it by providing app icon, changing the app name from counter app to in the App Store. So I will try hosting it by providing app icon, changing the app name from counter app to transcriber app or something like that, and let's see where it takes us. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.